Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Small Yacht Refit DIY Style. My name is Rory and I'm just playing with my little drone. I hope to use this for some footage as we're going along in some future episodes. This is the second episode, and I think before we get started, somebody asked me during the week how I came up with the name Carillian. So very simply, I have a daughter called Caroline, she's 25, and I have a son called Killian, he's 23, and put the two names together and you come up with the name Carillian. So SV Carillian, fairly straightforward. Also it probably sounds very good for a nautical kind of boaty type series. So that's how I came up with it. I hope that answers your question. Thank you for the question. Welcome, and let's get on with the show. I'm going to have to take out this porthole because, as you can see, the timbers in between the two fiberglass layers are rotten, absolutely rotten. So I'll take out the porthole, and when I'm glassing in a new piece underneath for the mast step, I will glass in there as well, I think. So we'll take this off, so rather than wasting two lots of thickened epoxy, we'll get this off and we'll see what condition it is. I'll have to root out all the timber, the plywood in between the two layers of fiberglass, and figure out whether I can cut the plywood in sections that'll fit in and use thickened epoxy to keep it in, and then finish it off with thickened epoxy and sand it down. That'll make it extra strong anyway. So we'll see how we go with this. But yeah, there's one issue leads to another when it comes to boating, and this is that's the exciting part of it. I suppose you just don't know what you're going to find, even though I did know that this was fairly rotten when I looked at the boat initially, and I knew this would have to be done, but I suppose there's so much to be done. But we'll get there. Okay, there's my hatch. Oh. Yeah, pretty good, isn't it? That seal wasn't very good. Okay, I'm talking about in relation to the rotting wood. Look at that. Falling apart. Falling apart. It's been taking in water for a long time, I reckon. And it just wasn't sealed right. Or the seal broke down. As you can see there, look, it's just given away. It's well rotten. Yeah. Okay, that's no problem anyway. Let me just see.
So what I've done now is I've mixed up some microfibers, West Systems microfibers, and some resin. So I've kept it liquid enough so I can actually pour it into the hole. That's the plan anyway. Which hopefully will fill in